Hello, everybody. This is Teacher Dawn. How are you today? I hope everybody is doing great today. Today, we're going to review those short vowel sound. Okay, we have the ad, ag, apt, and at. Okay, we are going to review those different short vowel sound. But before that, okay, we're gonna have little conversation about the things that you like and you don't like. Okay, my first question. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's practice once again. Okay, everybody. Do you like baseball? Everybody? Yes, I do. Do you like tennis? No, I don't. I like badminton. Do you like soccer? Yes, I do. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Now, let's go to add. Okay, everybody, add, 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 add. Okay, now, okay, I will show you picture and you're gonna guess what picture is it. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now, what picture is this? Is this a pad? No. Is this a dad? Yes, it's a dad. Okay, now the second one. Okay, second picture. What picture is this? Okay, is this a dad? No. Is this a pad? Yes, that's wonderful, dear students. Now, okay, help teacher how to use the blending sound together with a. Okay, we have da, ad, dad, da, ad, dad, da, ad, dad. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, the next one we have p, add, pad, p, add, pad, p, add, pad. Okay, now, okay, let's go to another sound. Okay, we have that ag, ag, ag. Okay, everybody, ag, ag, ag. Okay, now let's go to vocabulary. Okay, the first picture. What picture is this? Is this a rag? No. Is this a bag? Yes. Okay, now let's go to another picture. Okay, is this a bag? No. Is this a rag? Yes. Okay, that's wonderful, dear student. Now let's go to another blending sound. Okay, we have the the b, ag, bag, b, ag, bag, b, ag, bag. Okay, the next one we have r, ag, rag, r, ag, rag, r, ag, rag. That's wonderful, dear students. Now let's go to chanting time. Okay, are you ready for chanting time? Okay, now repeat after teacher. Okay, let's do it slowly. Dad, pad, bag, rag. Dad, pad, bag, rag. Dad, pad, bag, rag. Dad, pad, bag, rag. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Thank you for your time. Hello, are you still there, dear students? I hope you're doing great. Okay, now let's continue with our review. Okay, we reviewed earlier about the ad and the ag. Okay, now for this afternoon, we will continue Another review for short vowel sound, which is app. Everybody, app, 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 app. Okay, now let's go to vocabulary. Okay, the first vocabulary that we have. Okay, you're gonna help teacher to guess the picture. And okay, tell teacher what picture is it. And okay, teacher will give you stars. Okay, are you ready? Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Okay, the first picture that we have, what picture is this? Is it a map? No. Is it a nap? No. Is it a cap? No. What is this? It's a tap. That's wonderful, dear students. Okay, now. Okay, what is the next one? What is the next picture that we have? Okay, are you ready? Okay, what is the next picture? We have... What picture is this? Is it a tap? No. Is this a cap? No. Is this a map? No. Is this a nap? Yes, that's wonderful. Okay, now let's go to the third picture. Are you ready? What picture is this? Okay, is this a map? No. Is this a tap? No. Is this a nap? No. Is this a cap? Yes. That's wonderful, dear students. Now, okay, we have the last picture. Are you ready for the last picture? Okay. Okay. Is this a cap? No. Is this a nap? No. Is this a tap? No. Is this a map? Yes. That's wonderful, dear students. Now, okay, let's continue with the blending sound. Are you ready for blending sound? Okay, everybody repeat after teacher, okay? Ka, app, everybody. Ka, app, cap. Ka, app, cap. Ka, app, cap. Okay, next one. Ma, app, map. Ma, app, map. Ma, app, map. Okay, third one. Na, app, nap. Na, app, nap. Na, app, nap. Okay, the last one. Ta, app, tap. Ta, app, tap. Ta, app, tap. That's wonderful, dear students. Now let's go to chanting time. Okay, repeat after teacher. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Is that your cap on the map? Is that your cap on the map? Is that your cap on the map? Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Thank you. Hello, dear students. Are you still there? Oh, let's continue our review, okay? Earlier here, we reviewed the add, and at. Okay, for this time, we're going to review the at. Everybody, at. Okay, now let's go to vocabulary. Are you ready? Okay, help teacher to guess those pictures that I will show you. Okay, and I will give you stars, 3 stars. Okay, okay, help teacher. Okay, I will show you the first picture. What picture is this? Is this a bat? No. Is this a mat? No. Is this a rat? No. Is this a hat? Yes, wonderful. Okay, now let's go to the second picture. Okay, I will show you the second picture. What picture is this? Okay, is this a mat? No. Is this a rat? No. Is this a hat? No. Is this a bat? Yes, that's wonderful, dear student. Now let's go to the third picture. Are you ready for the third picture? Okay, everybody. Is this a mat? No. Is this a hat? No. Is this a bat? No. Is this a rat? Yes, that's wonderful. Okay, let's go to the fourth picture, okay? The fourth picture, is this a bat? No. Is this a hat? No. Is this a rat? No. Is this a mat? Yes. That's awesome, dear students. Now, let's continue the blending sound, okay? Help teacher how to blend those sound, okay? Are you ready? B, at, bat. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. Okay, the next one is ha, at, hat. Ha, at, hat. Ha, at, hat. Okay, the third one, ra, at, rat. Ra, at, rat. Ra, at, rat. Okay, the last one, m, at, mat. M, at, mat. M, at, mat. Okay, that's excellent. Now, help teacher how to chant. Okay, help teacher. Okay, are you ready for chanting? Okay, bat, hat, rat, mat. Bat, hat, rat, mat. Okay, let's do it slowly. Bat, hat, rat, mat. Okay, repeat after teacher. Bat, hat, rat, mat. One more. Bat, hat, rat, mat. Okay, that's wonderful. I give you 3-star, dear students. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye.